mother, flag, as a child. The mirror has been in my room since they brought it, and I've not had time to call the installer. The guy will be coming tomorrow to install it, but I don't even know where is the perfect place for it to be fixed. Here, something here, or something here, because already I have this in the middle, so I don't want this to be taken off. I have something here, a socket or something. I didn't want it to be so obvious in my parlor, so I decided to put my picture, and my picture blends with my chair, like really blends.
Unboxing my new tripod.
So I got a new tripod from Jazzmark on Instagram. This is my first long tripod, funny enough. So those of you that think you can start, you need to get everything before you start making YouTube videos, you're joking. I've been using my phone with a portable phone clip to make my YouTube videos for the longest. So I just decided to invest now in a tripod, at least to get more stable videos and all that. You guys follow me set up, please. This is shorter. You can actually connect it with your Bluetooth. You can take it out. So this is the phone clip. I'm going to attach it to the tripod. So you tilt it to this direction for your Instagram videos, your TikTok videos, and the likes. Then for your YouTube videos, you guys already know, you tilt it like this. You can actually rotate your phone with this 360 degrees, whatever it is that you want to do, and just losing a bit to readjust. I'll just leave this for now here, so whenever I decide where it is that I want it to permanently stay. Okay, I got this frame from a vendor in Lagos. It's giving trees, water, sunlight, everything nature, and I think I really like it. This is rock. There's many things here that you guys can actually see, but then I also like the color blend. The orange color blends with what I have on my chair, so that was perfect for me when I saw it, and then I collected it. And the only problem I have is my positioning, because now I'm confused about whether to put this here or my mirror, but I think I already said that before, but I'm going to sort it out. This frame is really, really big in size. I think at some point I changed my mind, because I already ordered for this frame. It was among the very first thing I saw and liked, and I just ordered it without having any single thing in my hands. But then I felt like it's kind of off from everything I have here. But then I couldn't do the exchange with the vendor, because the vendor had to exchange, and then she said she cannot actually change this. But that was fine, by the way. And another thing that was funny about this particular frame is that I'm the only person that likes this particular frame. My sister came to my house, she said she doesn't like it. My elder sister said it feels weird. My best friend said, oh, Naya, I don't even understand your taste. And then my very, very close friend, my very dear friend saw it, and he said that he didn't like it. But guess what, guys? I like it. It's only me that know the whatever it is I'm thinking in my head that made me to like it. But then I like the fact that, okay, my younger sister said it's giving rough girl vibe and all of that. But come on, I mean, it's art, so it could mean anything to different person. Art can mean something different to you, and mean something totally different to me. Because when she said that rough girl vibe, in my own head, I'm like, this is giving like almost, I have a lot of money, I can actually smoke my dollars, and it's unending. Because if you have just so little, you definitely don't spend anyhow, you definitely don't smoke your dollars. But guys, I'm balling. That's what it means to me. I think all the artwork in my house, I got them from the same vendor on Instagram. I didn't want to stress myself a lot. This is among the last piece I selected. I just felt like it was going to be good. As at the time I selected this, I already paid for my chair, so I knew my seat color was going to be orange. And this is just simple and nice. That's the reason I like it. It's simple and nice. Even though I know this design is kind of old, but it's still giving what I want it to give. This mirror, I saw it on Instagram. I wanted to order this mirror. I was told it was, I asked someone to customize it for me for 50,000 naira. Although it's coming tomorrow to install the mirror, and I think that should cost me about 5 or 10,000 naira. I don't know, and that's settled. So I got this flower from Lagos, from a vendor in Lagos, and this is not exactly what I ordered. This is a situation of what I ordered versus what I got. Forget that it's looking very beautiful now in the camera, but come on, when I'm editing this video, I'm going to put the actual picture on Instagram and the live picture of this one so that you guys can see it too.
7 days later.
I got the flower replacement just now. So I'm going to replace, and you guys tell me what it looks like.
Apparently, this looks bigger. The earlier one was really way scanty.
This is probably what I ordered.
Always do it on my own.
So this looks much more fuller, obviously, and better to me.
Yeah, this was me setting up the flower again for the second time. And then we had the mirror guy doing the installation of the mirror. And this was where I finally decided to let it be.
Wait, let me get my head straight. I need a drink of water. It's been days I've had a headache. Don't wanna wake up one day, feel like I regret things. I want.
So this is the mother of the flower. This is the child. Oh my god! And the flower falls off whenever you're whatever but something you can easily fix back. So I'm sending this one back to school where it came from. It's really good. And this time around, I believe the man packaged it well because the other time when he saw me, like a lot of the flowers fell off, but I think this is better because we just have little piece that we can easily fix. Then for this my TV stand, I didn't want to do anything on the wall, and that's why I don't have anything. It's not like I didn't have designs or something. I had designs in my head, plenty things. But the very first day I entered this house, I just said, you know what, I'm not going to do anything on the wall. And if I tell you the reason it's funny, I'm like, I beg, I will soon marry. Talk of fate. Then here, I just have my books that I read, my TV remotes, my eyeglass, whatever. Yeah, I just have my books too, ones that I've read and ones that I've still read, and then games that people can play when they come to my house. This curtain was among the first thing that I did. Like the very first time I came to this house, I just went to the market, ordered for blinds to cover everywhere, right? I didn't have an idea of what my house was going to look like or whatever. So, but now that everything is coming together, this thing needs to go out, really. It needs to go out because it's not suiting for my space. I want to get a curtain that is this color, creamy gold or something, and I think I should get a curtain that should also get to this part so that I can cover my door here and give what I want it to give. But that will be much later because I think I've spent a lot of money. Moving is not easy at all. Like if anybody says it's easy, guy, they need to tell you their secret because where I moved to is not so far from my old apartment. So every day, like I take some things from the house, come here, clean. I spend 3 to 4 hours after work cleaning and arranging. So when much later, when I have money, I'll get the center table, I'll get the chandelier. I mean, moving and relocation is not something you do all at once. You take your time to do it step by step, little by little. When you have money, I feel like I need to take a breath for what I've already spent for this relocation. I'm just going to say something, not to even mention, when I first moved here, somebody chatted me up from the place where I'm staying that, oh, I'm an interior decor, and I'm like, guy, I'm an interior decor too. Like, I mean, designing my space should come from me. I should have the idea. It should be something I want. I don't want to just walk into somewhere or live in somewhere that was designed, that all the ideas was by somebody else. I know you can pay for already completed houses and furnished houses, but then people change things and all that. So it's not like I'm saying anything is bad in it, but then I like to design my spaces myself and take the credit for the design. So guys, I think I tried simple, it's giving what I want, not too much, whatever on the wall. When I recovered from most of the expenses I made on this relocation or on this moving or on this movement, I'm going to buy some things. I mean, at times you can go out, you just see something beautiful, something nice, you just buy, add, like that. I know my mom keeps telling me that, oh, they don't do relocation thing all at once, take your time. Like I have to pay earlier. I think about 1 month or plus, 1 month plus, almost 2 months rent in this house had gone before I moved in, because I was taking my time. I didn't want anything that would stress me, put me under pressure or something. But then I'm happy I was able to achieve this beautiful look. I mean, if you think I tried, please let me know in the comment section. I think this is the second house vlog I will be doing. The first vlog was for a friend, but this now is my house, my space. I got this as a gift from a friend, and I think it's just so suiting. Orange, and green. Even though it's not the exact colors, it just felt so perfect. Like, girl, have you been to my house? So I decided to turn it to my parlor today in case of cold and what have you, and I'm happy I have that here, because I'm always very cold, always. Thank you guys for watching. I finally put my mirror here, even though it's not giving what it's supposed to give. I mean, like, I'll eventually have to put curtain here, because that's what's going to bring the beauty of this place. So it captures my curtain and every other thing. And I'll still have to get a movable mirror so that I can position anytime I want to. The mirror was finally fixed, because I knew I was going to be traveling today, so I had to call the guys to come fix it yesterday so that I know that I'm done with the things I have in this house. So guys, I'm actually rushing to catch a flight now, so I'll see you guys in my next vlog about my second trip. Anyways, it's a business trip, it's not for vacation or whatever. It's strictly for business, but you know that sometimes you need to mix business with a little bit of pleasure. So I enjoy myself while I'm on this business trip, guys. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you so much for watching the part 2 of my vlog, and this is going to be the final vlog. Anyways, if I eventually get to buy the chandelier and the curtain, I'll just do a mini additional video, okay? Thank you guys.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, so tight.